Thank you for choosing EvenMix. This video is intended to explain how to install the EvenMix IBC cap mixer into your IBC. First, place the mixing shaft through the IBC cap, which includes the stainless steel reducer. Second, place the mixing shaft into the drive's output and fasten the through bolt. Third, fasten the IBC cap onto the drive. Fourth, place the mixer into the IBC and then fasten the cap. Fifth and finally, to remove, unfasten the cap and pull the mixer out of your IBC. Thank you for watching this instructional video on how to install the EvenMix IBC cap mixer. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at EvenMix. I'm Phil Rankin, the founder of EvenMix. Thank you for your time.